Yo, what's up? It's your boy Javel. Welcome back to the YouTube. Super excited to show you guys my new unboxing today of the Sony headphones, the WH-1000XM4s. Basically, I'm gonna have some fun. Start this video off with a little ASMR for those who like that, doing a little slow unboxing, and then we'll hop over and actually go into the details, put the headphones on, show some different looks on what these looks like. See you guys there. Peace. Yeah, so the Sony WH-1000XM4 specifically have been known to be neck and neck with the Bose 700 model as a noise cancellation competitor. Besides that, though, the Apple Studios or aka Beat Studios branded are usually the competitors that people are going to. The difference between more of the Apple branded and Beats branded products is that they are more sportsy and they don't have that noise cancellation feature. They focus more on bass, whereas the Bose and the Sony models both specifically are for comfort, long wear, noise cancellation, whether it's travel for airport or anything like that. The Sony model that just released, the XM4s, have been known to actually be a little bit in the lead over the Bose specifically. They both are around the same price. I have had the headphones for 2-3 days now, and I wanted to provide my review today and show you guys what I think of it. And you know, at the end of this, you can decide if this is a pair of headphones that you want for yourself, or if you want to wait for something else to come out. So with the rumor of the Apple Studios coming out, definitely want to check those out and see what's supposed to go into them. That's supposed to basically the competitor for the Beats, Apple competing with themselves in order to drive the market on their sides. Who knows if it's going to have noise cancellation features. I have to check Mac rumors and do some more research on that, on some of the rumors on what's going on there. But the noise cancellation offers a couple features. Now that we've unboxed them and opened them, I have been wearing them for a bit. And on the right side here, there's different functionality. If I were to swipe up, then that would allow me to change the volume, as in going up. If I swipe down, that's going to take the volume down. If I double tap twice, that will play my song and audio, whatever I'm listening to. On the back side, you have a customs button and you have a power button. The custom button allows you to go into the Sony app and customize any type of features that you want to have within this gesture of touching these headphones. You also have the power button, connected headphone. So if you want to connect in and not use, or you know, the battery dies, whatever, you can just go old fashioned and use them as regular headphones. And then you can also plug them into USB-C. So as you can see within these headphones, it has still the premium leather, nice quality, soft to ears, long lasting. You can adjust the sides for different comfort. Some people may not need to, but with my big head, let's get these right again. I actually need to put these on and adjust, but 10 minutes allows for 5 hours of charging. A full charge actually gives you 30 hours for the headphones to just last all day plus some. So if you forget to charge or anything like that, it may not necessarily be the biggest problem, just because these do last so long. Now, I am new to the Sony space when it comes to these type of headphones. Normally, I use my Powerbeats Pros. I wanted to get them over-the-ear headphones just because my Powerbeats Pros stick inside my ear. And a lot of you are probably asking, why didn't I get the AirPod Pros over the Powerbeats Pros? Specifically just because I work out a lot and I don't want something just kind of sticking in with no security around that, whether I'm playing basketball, lifting, running, jogging, any of that, or even going for a bike ride. As I talk about these headphones, I actually want to show you guys and walk you through the specific app. Now, the app is pretty cool because as you can control your app of your headphones as if I had my Sonos and I was controlling my Sonos soundbar, it's very similar, right? So the app will use the firmware update and it will send that to the headphone, just as it would on your Apple Watch or anything like that. It also has different sound and system preferences. So if I needed to change the way that the ambient sound works as I'm walking, moving, or anything like that, I can do that. If I wanted to put on the feature where my music will go down and when I speak, it's called speak to chat, then I can turn that feature on as well. So as I'm talking to you guys, it'll change and turn in more of a receptive speaker so I can hear what's going in as I'm having a conversation. Now they also have another cool feature where you cover your hand over this whole right side, and as I'm doing this, I can also use this as a speak to chat. The only reason I don't keep the speak to chat enabled is simply because if I am talking or singing with a song, it will, you know, cut out. So that kind of is a flaw, but maybe you guys aren't singers like I am as you're listening to music. Other things that it has is different personal optimizations, different system and sound settings. You can run different optimizing for the size of your ears so it knows exactly how much, you know, bass and or stereo needs to go inside and things like that to optimize that. So there's some different sound controls. It's very simple, very straightforward, but these headphones are pretty cool. I hope I don't look too corny, just keeping these headphones on where I record with you guys. But I did want to show how comfortable they are, how simple the case is. It comes in 2 colors. I think it's like a blush/silver and a black and gold, all black with gold accent. Now, for anyone who's looking to get new headphones during this time, I do recommend these headphones highly, just because, again, the most recent headphones to drop, which means, you know, anything that they're looking to do, they're basically fighting all the competition off. Now, on the negative side, I will say that the microphone isn't that good, or basically the calling isn't that good. So if I'm having these headphones on and I'm walking down to work or walking down the street or anything like that, then that is going to be an issue, because when I do answer the phone, I have had a couple buddies already tell me like, hey, what are you picking up? What are you talking me through? I can't really hear you, which kind of sucks just because you think that that would not be an issue with a newer pair of headphones. But it does go to show that the focus wasn't on the microphone side of things. It's there just because it's more so of a 2020 need in a pair of headphones. But the main focus is for lounging, listening to music, comfortability, long-term wear, anything like that. So my reason for getting these really was because when I am working or doing any type of work, when I sit here for about 8 hours, and if I do have some tunes going, again, the earbuds start to hurt the inside of the ear. So I needed something more comfortable. Everything is hands-free. You do get Google Assistant or Alexa Assistant. You can choose between the two. That's built in. So just to ramble off a couple specs for you guys who really want to know about them. So it comes in 2 colors, again, black and silver. Battery life 30 hours with the noise cancellation on, and 38 hours with the noise cancellation on. Connectivity type is just Bluetooth wireless, as normal. For anyone who wants to know like what type of phone do these go to, it's a Bluetooth, so it's not like it's any specific. I use these with my iPhone specifically. So yeah, I hope this review helped a lot of you guys understanding, how sleek these are and how smooth these headphones actually look. There we go. With the leather band, the left and the right locations inside, the gold accent on the outside, and the import buttons below. So till next time, please hit that like and subscribe button, baby. Super stoked to gain some traction and followers on this channel, show you guys what we're about. Also gonna bring out other things besides tech reviews, so let's do it. Let's go. Peace.